So I'm here with John Lambert at the Australia-New Zealand Cyber Security Innovation Tour. Thank you so much for your presentation just before. One of the things that I was really interested in was you talked about the three forces stacking that are impacting security AI at the moment. Can you talk us through that?
Yeah, today I feel like we're at a special moment in security, and there's really three forces that they're all good separately, but they're really compounding each other right now. The three stacked forces are data at scale, threat intelligence, and AI. And so for data at scale, that's really been underwritten by competition among cloud vendors to have data at unimaginable amounts of scale and the ability to bring compute over it. And what that's done for defenders is it's permitted higher resolution sensors across the entire digital estate, from endpoint to identity to app to cloud to IoT to OT. And that increased amount of data that defenders have, now you can apply threat intelligence to that. It's like a huge surface area for threat intelligence. And then the hits that you get, the discoveries that allows you to make, that becomes the crucial training data for artificial intelligence and helps it predict from what it learned previously to predict the next attack.
Thanks, John. And it's been a big year in security. Can you kind of summarize for me what it's meant, or all these things that have happened in the security landscape?
Yeah, I think a few notable things pop out this year. One is the cyber criminal gangs are as vicious as ever, and things like ransomware and extortion tactics in ransomware, data leak. These are things that we're seeing them use to add pressure to get victims to pay. But on the flip side, we're also seeing defenders have much more investments in multi-factor authentication, managing the attack surface at their edge, really prioritizing what do they need to do to defend, getting threat intelligence in the hands of defenders that have XDR, SIEM, EDR, all these capabilities together, and that allows them to discover these attacks and eradicate them much quicker.
Excellent.